What's up everyone, it's John and welcome once again to Jam Life Tech Talk. So these are the new snap mounts for GoPro, other action cameras and 360 cameras. If you haven't heard about them, they have quickly become my favorite accessory for these cameras. Today we are going to show you how they work and how you can win some. So let's take a Jam Life Tech adventure. So before we get started, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. It really does help this channel out. If you like the video today, please give us a big thumbs up and ring the bell so you will know when we drop great tech videos right here. So I bought the Snap Mount Pro Kit at the end of last year and I really think it's a great idea. One that every GoPro and action camera user should have in their kit. The kit that I purchased includes a magnetic mount that attaches to your 2-finger grip on your GoPro and then provides a magnet that you can attach to the provided adapters. You can see them attached to the 2 tripods I have in front of me, so when you want to take your mount off one tripod and put it onto the next, it snaps on magnetically and there you have it. You've changed tripods in a matter of seconds. Taking it off the tripod is just really easy. You just twist it either way and it comes off. So let's see that again. To take it off, just twist sideways, off it comes, really easy. To put it back on, just snap straight on and the magnets line up automatically. Being magnetic, this mount also can attach to any metallic surface, even your car, and the kit comes with this great mat so you don't damage your paintwork. The kit comes with a back plate with lanyard so you can basically wear a magnet under your shirt unseen and attach your GoPro at any time. So if you take it off this one, I've got the magnet right here under my shirt, boom, attached. I just love this and it's really stable too. If you like wiggle around, all that sort of stuff, it just stays in place. It's a really great system and now I can film like say a chesty mount right here very easily. Take it off again, twist sideways, back to the tripod, all done. This is a really great idea guys, I really love it. I also bought the phone mount which allows your phone to join in on the fun. I also love the way that when they're mounted to your GoPro, you can still see and use the back touchscreen. So if I take it off here, can still see I have access to the touchscreen right at the back here. I can touch it, play with it, do whatever I like. And then put it back on. Simple as that. And even when it's mounted to the tripod, you can still see right through it and use the touchscreen as well. I'll be using this system a lot moving forward as things open up and there will be a lot more opportunities to get out there and vlog. This is a great idea guys and I will link their website in the description section below, so go check it out. And as I've mistakenly bought 2 of the Snap Mount Pro kits, we are going to give you guys a chance to win one. Just make sure you're a subscriber to the channel and leave a comment down below and tell us how you would use the snap mounts or ask a question or anything you like. We'll pick the best comment and the Snap Mount Pro Kit will go to that person. This kit is sold out at the moment online, so make sure you subscribe and comment guys. And to everyone else, make sure you go and get these snap mounts. They are a really good idea and as I said, they are essential for any kit. And that's it for today's video. Another short but sweet one. So please don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell and give the video a big thumbs up. And we'll see you on the next Jam Life Tech adventure.